Hi, welcome to Grade 5th CBSE All Subject by Savita Faude YouTube channel. Kids, this one our GK lecture, the popular knowledge tree for class 5th. Kids, today we start GK unit 2nd about nature, chapter 7 Amazing Birds. Textbook saying read the description and identify these incredible birds. First one, brightly colored bird is the smallest variety of birds known to man. They can beat their wings at a high speed of 80 times per second. B. Hummingbird. Second one, the greatest sound mimic in the world. This bird can copy the exact sound of musical instruments, car alarm, gunshot, and even people. It is indeed a living tap recorded. Larry bird. Third one, an owl-like Australian bird which stands upright in a tree waiting for a small bird or animal with its huge mouth open. It draws the prey in once it approaches closer. Tawny frog mouth, our answer. Okay. Then next one, a big fish eating sea bird. This argination bird penetrates its powerful beak into the flesh of live giant right whale, which are 50 feet in a length. This one a help gull. Kids, here is a hints. Kelp gull, KELPGULL. This one answer. That one. Okay. In the hope of winning over the female, the male bird of this species uses a broken branch, is drumstick, and beats it against a hollow tree trunk. This one a palm cockatoo. The male of this large Indian bird seals the female and its chicks in a tree or nest cavity with a barrier of mud and sticks until the young ones grow up. Hornbill. Next one, a migratory bird. The world's second record holder that migrates from Greenland, Arctic to Weddell Sea, Antarctica, covering 44,000 miles every year. This one a Arctic Terran. And last one, this graceful seabird can hit the water at the speed of 90 miles per hour to feed on fish. It has extra thick skull that acts like a helmet to withstand such impact. Gannet. Eighth one, incredible geological wonders. Textbook given below is the description of some of the geological wonder on our earth. Identify them and write their names in the space provided. First one, the most alien looking place on the earth has remained isolated from the world. 1/3 of the plant life found here is found nowhere else on this planet. Situated in Indian Ocean, This island has wide sand beaches. Scotra Island, this one. Second one, a unique formation of sandstone in USA has a pattern of waves that form from continuous erosion. It is one of the most interesting photographic spot of USA and can be accessed only through foot. Wave rock, this one. Third one, situated in USA, surrounded by rivers, lakes, and mountain ranges. Its most notable feature is natural geyser called Old Faithful, which erupts almost every 91 minutes. Yellowstone, this one, Yellowstone caldera, a natural gas field in a Drez, Turkmenistan, was lit by Soviet scientists in 1971, and even after 45 years it continued to burn. All attempts to put off this burning have resulted in a failure. This one, a door to hell. Next one, the first ever, this one, the first ever World Heritage of a Ireland consists of as many as 40,000 interlocking basalt columns. These columns were formed from a volcanic eruption in the ancient time. This one, a giant causeway. And last one, situated in Philippines, is a group of around 1260 hills covered in a green grass. These hills turn chocolate brown during hot summer season. They were formed from a coral deposit from sea to land. This one, chocolate hills. This type we finish 8th one GK chapter here, and 9th one GK chapter, our amazing animal facts. In next GK lecture we start.